Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting unboxing. I finally received my henggarae albums and I am like super excited. I've been waiting for these for a while. I ordered it from Weavers and they took a while to ship. But I don't think mine are pre-order because like I don't think mine are first press because I didn't pre-order them. Which is fine because I wanted like the OT 13 photo books anyways. So for opening them, I'm gonna be using a really interesting technique that I saw somebody on, I think, Instagram or YouTube doing, and I know people use the hairdryer technique to get the stickers on the back, but I'm gonna be using micellar water because apparently if you use that, it gets rid of like the sticky residue, because like if you use the hairdryer it leaves that. So I don't have like cotton swabs, so I'm just using like these Muji cotton pads that I have. So I will open all of them and get back to you after. Okay, so I'm back after getting the stickers off. There's no residue on it, and the sticker is still like receivable. I kind of messed up on the tool version because I was like, I think I didn't put enough of the liquid, but it is a good method, and it's probably better if you have like a cotton swab and not like my weird cotton pads. But yeah, I recommend using micellar water. I use this for my makeup remover, so that's why I just had it. But you could probably get it at the store for like pretty cheap, or if you already have it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with I believe this one is set. Actually, okay, I think this is the Hana version. Yeah, okay. So this is the Hana version, and I will take out the contents. And then, I mean, I think like the plastic bag itself is like kind of nice. It's just like annoying with the sticker. And then of course you have the screw, which I don't know how I feel about having to put together the album on our own, but it is what it is. So this is the cover, and oh my god, no. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over and then put those to the side. Like I said, I'm pretty sure mine are not first press, but maybe they are. Oh wait, they are. Oh, I got performance team. Oh, okay, wait, that's really exciting. And for anybody who doesn't know, my bias in 17 is Minghao, so that's exciting. But like for me personally, I wasn't really planning on like collecting all of the photo books. I was just gonna keep whichever one that I got, but I guess we will look through these. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you have already seen unboxings of this album since I'm getting mine kind of late, but one thing I really like is the album art for this. Like, I love the little like signs and like super cute. I love it. So this is Hoshi's book. It's a nice little unit photo. I've like already seen unboxings of this album, so I low-key know what everything looks like, but I'll still flip through it because I want to look at all the photos close up. Wow, I think Hoshi looks really good with blonde hair. I think definitely suits him, but he's black to black hair right now for promotions, you know. And Jun. I also really like the colors, like the green and orange, and then also the blues for the other versions. Jun. Oh, this one is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Ugh. I feel like 17 has really good like concepts in terms of like photo and album and like visuals. Like, ooh, I love these like long ones. Yay! And Minghao. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, that is my man's. I think Minghao, I mean honestly all of them could be models, but I feel like Minghao like has really good like camera presence, I would say. And of course he's a fashionista, so yeah. And then Tino, baby Chan. Oh, so cute. Oh, I like this aesthetic against like the reddish wall. Very nice. And then this is the interview with them. Oh wait, I think okay. Oh yeah. I can't read. I'll have to find translations of this, but I like the little photos that they took. Oh, so these are by Hoshi and Jun, and then these are by Thea and Dino. And the stickers that I will probably not be using. I never use album stickers because like I can't do it. And then the CD. Very pretty. Oh, I love the back art as well. I love like packaging and design and everything. I mean, I am like majoring in graphic design at school. Just a fun fact about me in case anybody wanted to know. It's the lyrics and the credits. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a look at my pulls. So since I am collecting only Minghao for 17, so I'm obviously hoping for his cards, and if not, then I'll trade for his. Okay, I'll do the bookmark first. And oh, Joshua! I love this photo. He's just like in the middle of like the city, unbothered, just like posing with his telephone booth. Okay, so cute. Okay, in the first photo card. Oh, S-Coops! Oh my god. I love his hair. Like, he looks so good in the curly hair. Oh, and his selfies are like the best. So, oh, all these cards are so beautiful. I don't want to like trade. Okay, and then the second one is yes! Oh my god, yes! I'm so happy. Wow, look at how pretty he is. Oh. Okay, wow, I'm like already really happy with my pulls. Okay, so this one is the 2 version. It looks so like chaotic with like my stickers that I like. This is the one that I like messed up the sticker on, so we're just gonna ignore that. I might buy more copies of the album. I do have a signed set coming because I was chaotic and decided to buy an entire signed set of this album. Okay, so the pulls are face down, which is good. I'm gonna just take those out. Alright, so let's see if I was blessed with another member album. If not, then I don't really mind. And, ooh! I think I got the OT13 version, which I'm actually happy with. I low-key wanted that. I wanted at least one OT13 version because like, it's kind of like I want to see all of them in the photo books. And it's the cover. Okay, we'll just quickly go through these since I feel like, oh, I love this. I think the tour version is my favorite version. Like, I really like how they all looked in this, and I like the little beach concept. Wow. Sungcho looks really good this comeback. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, I love him. These are so pretty. Oh my god. I can't. Thank you. Wow. These are just okay. I'm like I only have like good things to say about this. Like, I am just literally just saying, oh my god, wow, like every 5 seconds. Okay, performance team. Ooh, this is aesthetic. Hoshi. Ooh. Jun. Minhao. Oh, I love it with the little hood. So cute. Then, I like this photo. It's really cute. And then vocal team. Tokyo. Jongan. Oh wow, I think Seungkwan looks really good with like this hair color and this outfit. So pretty. Oh. Josh. And then this is the group interview. Yeah, there's not much that I can read here, but I will look at translations later. And this is like my favorite part of the interview, is the little photos that they took. They are all photographers, like, bruh, these all look so good. They're all photographers and models. Oh, this one is so nice. So cute. And the stickers. And CD. And the credits and track list. And then the beautiful album art again. Alright, so then I'm going to step to the side and we will take a look at my pulls. So, bookmark. 1, 2, 3. Chan! Wow! I think the bookmarks are so nice. Like, I really like the shape of them. And first photo card. Seungkwan! I've been seeing this photo card a lot, and like, I think it's so pretty. Like, also like, I really like the glossy texture. Then the second photo card is oh, DK. Wow, so pretty. I really like this version. This is the set version. Yep. I always forget about the screw every time. I don't know if I'm gonna screw my albums together, mostly because like the thanks to doesn't have the holes in it. Okay, I'm gonna take out my pulls. I don't want to see anything. Oh, they're face up, so I'm gonna just do that. And then see what photo books I got. Oh, I really like this one. And they got the OT13 version, which is what I expected. I did not expect to get the member version the first time around. Look through this. Oh yeah, this is the one that's like their album cover, like on like Spotify and stuff. This version's also really pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh no. Oh yeah, this one has like the photo card or maybe the bookmark with him in like the car. Yeah, I really like that one. Oh, thank you. So cute. Wow. This is a really nice photo of him. Oh, just the eyes. Vernon's eyes are so beautiful. just gonna flip that over so that everything is in order. Okay, performance team. I think this one is the album like cover that they use, if I'm not wrong. Hoshi. Oh yeah, I really liked his photo cards for this version because I really liked the outfit with like the little scarf. So I really hope I pull it. If not, then of course I'll trade. I already bought one of his bookmarks, I think, for the last version knit. So let's hope I don't pull that one, but I haven't bought anything else because I was trying to hold back. Because I always like get really impatient and then I buy photo cards beforehand. Oh, I love these little eye photos. So cute. Oh, Jonghan. So cute. Okay, and then is the interview that I can't read yet. Just gonna look at the photos in the back. Oh, these are pretty. I like this one. Oh, there's some really nice photos in Gone. Pretty. The stickers. The CD. Oh yeah, as for track list, my favorites, I love the title track. I think it was like a good move for them to like release something more like upbeat and fun, because it definitely like contrasts with their last few comebacks. And then my other favorites, I really love My My. I think that's such a great song. And then I also really like Kidult. That one's like a really like fun song. But I honestly like all the songs in this album. Like I think they all were very well made and definitely like my style. I think among all groups that I like, 17 has the most music that's like my style, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna do the bookmark first. And Sunkwon, I've actually have not seen this bookmark. Like I've seen a lot of unboxings and like stuff, but I have not seen anybody get this bookmark yet, so that's exciting. And then first photo card is Sunchol. I now have 2 Sunchol photo cards. Oh, he's such a baby. And then the last one, the second one for this version is Vernon. Wow, how cute. The last version, knit. I already bought Minghao's bookmark for this, as I said. But yeah, screw. And I'm gonna take out my pulls that are the back. And then let's see what photo books. Oh, I got this version's photo books really confused me. Yeah, okay, so it's these 7. I don't really like mind which one I get. Okay. So here we go. Yeah, this one's the sports one. Oh yeah, I really liked, I think I did want this one. This one's like the bowling one, so that's exciting. Minghao. Vernon. Mingyu. Okay, yeah, this one has both of my like top 2 biases, Minghao and Jonghan, so that's a good pull for me. Wow, why does he literally look like such a rich man, but he's like going bowling? Like, I think that's such a interesting concept. This is so cute. Minghao, Mingyu, Vernon. Okay. I really like the texture of these pages though. It's like a nice, because sometimes I don't like super glossy. Oh, he has the Doc Martens. I love Doc Martens. Anyways, yeah, I don't really like super glossy photo books sometimes because I feel like it gets like fingerprints very easily. This is really nice. It's like a nice like in between like matte and glossy, which is nice. I literally don't have any like shelf space left for like anything anymore. I need to get new shelves, so until then I don't know where I'm gonna put these. In this interview, oh wait, is that Minghao? I think so. This is a really pretty photo. I like this one too. Wow. And then stickers, CD, and the lyric tract. Alrighty, we are already on our last set of photo cards. So, alright, this has the 4. So, bookmark, I got Chan. Oh, I like this card a lot. These are just so aesthetic, like, I'm like blown away. Okay, I'm gonna look at the regular one first. And I got, oh, Joshua. I feel like I pulled like the same few members. Like, I've pulled Joshua twice, Sinchol twice, Sinkwon twice, Chan twice, and then I think like a Vernon, Minghao. Then Vernon, oh wow, I literally pulled the same members, like the same, I think like 5 members. Like I pulled Vernon twice, Chan, Joshua, Sinchol, Sinkwon, and then the one Minghao PC. Wow, we love variety. Yeah, okay, so I am officially done with all of my unboxings for this. Thank you for watching, and thank you if you have subscribed or liked my videos, then I appreciate it a lot. Bye!